Now we are going to take 4 different steps. The first one is to show the forgot password form. Once we achieve that, we test. So you can see test 1 here. The next one is sending the password, forgot password email. Once we achieve that, we are going to test. You have test 2, you can see. The next one is when the user clicks on the link on the email, it displays the form for password reset request. And once we achieve that, we test, and that we have test 3. The last one is now to when the user enters his new password and submits, the password changes in the database. That is the 4th item, and you can see step 4. So each of the items we complete, we test. So we are going to divide into 4 sections. So let's start from the first one. They are very easy to follow. So the first one says set up the /forgot password route. Now we set up this /forgot password route in the securities controller. You already have the security controller here. The route is /forgot password, and it's going to simply return the forgot password template. So I'm going to copy and paste it just to save time. I'm not going to be copying some of the codes we are going to be writing, some of them we are going to be copying. This one is very simple, so let's simply copy and paste, okay? We are going to create the forgot password.html template inside the securities folder. So if you go to resources, security, we are going to create the forgot passwords.html. So what will be the content of this? This is a form that is going to contain only one field containing the email. So the name is forgot passwords.html, and the content of this file, I already wrote it for you. So you can simply click on this link and then you get the content, copy the content and paste. So I'm going to copy it and paste. So I'm going to paste it, file, save everything. So at least now we almost have completed the first part. We also need to do one thing. We are going to allow the /forgot password route in the security config. By the way, if we run this application, let me just show you that this is a new application we are talking about. 1 second. So let's run this down. Let me run this application so that we just make sure that we are on a new application, not the previous one. So this application runs on port 8080. So if I go to the, not this one, here, not this one, yeah. Let's go to the login page at port 8080, right? Okay. So if I click on forgot password, nothing happens. So this is what we are trying to, the first thing we want to do. This is email, let me just delete all this, okay. So we need to go to the security configurer, which is the app security config, and we will allow the /forgot password route. The easiest way is to just copy one of the matches, and then you can change the route. So I'm copying the /users add new, and I'm going to simply change it to forgot password, and that is all. So at this point, we've completed the first part. Let's test it just to make sure it works. So I'm going to restart this application. We are going to restart this application and then see if it displays, oh no, one more thing I didn't remember. So we need to go to the login page and make sure that the link to forgot password is correct. So we are going to the login page, This is the login page, and we are going to look for the forgot password. So you can see the link here. So we are going to be using primary href equal to, and going to be at, do I still remember how to specify routes? Okay, forgot password. Okay, so this is the correct route. So I'm going to save everything and I'm going to rerun this application. Hopefully we've completed the first part successfully. So it started, so let's go back and I'm going to refresh forgot password and it takes us to the forgot password form. So this is part 1 is completed. So I hope this works. Try it. If you have challenges with this, you cannot proceed, let me know in the comment box below if you have any challenges with this. And let's continue in the next part.